Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about an interesting fintech app that I just discovered, which is OneBank. OneBank was officially launched in 2019, but they start fully operation since 2020, and they kept upgrading their system. So in 2024, they added quite a lot of new feature that is really cool. So I already have the app on my phone. Let's go to the Play Store. If you're a first time user, just go to your Play Store, App Store, search for OneBank by Sterling. It is actually developed by Sterling Bank, just similar to Alert by Wema and all other fintech apps like OPay, Kuda, and so on. It's already downloaded on my phone, so if you are downloading for the first time, just click on install, just open it. As you can see, I've done the registration and everything. But if you're a first time user, let me go to switch accounts so you can just see. You can sign up, you can click on create account, open a new account, activate OneBank. So that's just it. You go through the process, input your KYC and so on. Very simple and easy to self-explanatory. It's something that you can do. So let me just log into my account. Basically, you can see you have your Naira account, you have a dom account. This is my major fixture, the domiciliary accounts. You can just open different accounts, be it in dollar, euro, Great British pounds. You can see the Naira account. This is my euro account, my dollar account. This is my GBP account. You can see we have the home, the pay and transfer. You want to send money to anyone, either to yourself, to other Sterling Bank, to other bank. If you have a beneficiary before, you can also transfer to your wallet. You have your foreign transfer, which is FX swap. Basically, you can transfer to yourself, you can transfer to Sterling and to other banks. You have your bill payments. You can buy your electricity bill, cable TV, internet, airtime and data, different things, ATM terminals, just a lot of things on the app. Very cool app. Online shopping, pay choice, you can see religious institution, tax payments, you can do reschedule payments also, you can check your transaction history, your budgeting, and so on and so forth. You can see their product tab. You can create a community banking where you and your friend basically can contribute money, maybe monthly, weekly, or quarterly. Any way you want to contribute it. You can see community banking, get started. You can create a new one. Let's use an example for you, maybe family and friends. Here's your community name. I just say saving. You enter your reason to keep money for rent. Maybe for rent, you're saving it. Okay, you have to upload image. You can just upload any image of your choice. Let me just use camera and snap something. Let's use the create community. As you can see, it's creating, it's loading. So that's it basically. So after a couple of minutes, they're going to approve it. As you can see, I'm not going to approve. I'll update you later. Then you can start adding your members. Okay, it's not yet verified, so I'll come back to this one. Let's go to the card. Another cool feature, you can see the cards, your physical and your virtual card. I already have the virtual card, and it's also a MasterCard free of charge. You can see the MasterCard is fully activated. You can use it to pay online and even international payments, any payments at all. I've requested for the physical card also. It will be arrived. Look at the menu tab. You can see live chat. You can check directly with their customer service. You can check your transaction limits, budgeting. You can open a new account. By the way, if you're on board for the first time, you're going to be given Naira accounts like this one right here. You're going to be given a Naira account. Then you go to your menu tab. You create open a new account. You select option. You can see Care 2, classic savings, classic current, domiciliary savings, domiciliary current. All you just have to do is to click on your domiciliary savings. Then you select the currency, USD, Euros, and the British pounds. So that's how you open it. For example, USD. You can see, continue. It is going to automatically open for you. But because I have it before, let's see. Because I have it before. So that's how to open it. Basically, do your transaction, your payment, and every other thing. Let's test it with. Okay. Right, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope you find value in the video. If you have any question at all, let me know in the comments section. Basically everything about the app. The app is very useful, especially for those receiving payments, freelancers receiving payments internationally, and also people receiving payment from Google AdSense. Basically, it's very useful. So if you want me to do a live transaction FS swap from my dollar to my Naira account, see you in the next one.